Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Nutan Online Study. Today in this video, we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic air pollution. Okay. So here you can see for previous knowledge, students are already aware of pollution and different types of pollution. Okay. After that, general aim to enable them to understand air pollution and reason for air pollution. To enable them to know some precautions. Okay, and how to prevent from this air pollution. Specific objectives to let them know what is air pollution, what are air pollutants that causes air pollution. Okay, here we can see teaching aids. So for that, chalk, duster, flex chart, model, etc. Okay, now let's turn the page. Okay, here you can see what do you mean by pollution. This is introduction question, and here are the expected answer. And second question is tell me types of pollution. Then student will answer air pollution, water pollution. After that we have to ask is do you think that air pollution is very dangerous for all living being? Then they will answer yes, it is very problematic for living being. Okay, after that last question would be what is air pollutant? It would be problematic. Student cannot answer this thing. Okay, now here you can see all the objectives and specifications. Okay, here you can see class, subject. Okay, now here you can see statement of aim. So after explaining them, means after asking question, we have to give our statement of our aim. Like today I am going to teach you topic air pollution. Here you can see topic is air pollution, and this is the overall look of our lesson plan. Okay, now here you can see presentation 1. So for that you can see all the content that we have to teach, and we also have to mention here. You can see these things. Okay, so after explaining them properly, we also have to ask a question. So here you can see list of the question. Here let me just zoom for you all. Here you can see what is air pollution, what do you mean by water pollution. Sorry, it is not water pollution. Here we have to write it is air. Okay, what do you mean by air pollutants? Where does air pollutant come from? Which disease is caused by it? And here are the expected answer. And yes, if you need the PDF, just comment me yes in the comment section below. Now here you can see blackboard work. I hope it is visible. So what you have to do is you just have to write all the main points. Okay, so after explaining them properly, we also have to use some teaching aids like chart or model, whatever. So teacher has to explain with help of chart or model, and students here observing the chart, model. Okay, for teaching aid we have to write chart or model, whatever we have. Presentation 2, you can see content here. Here is the question, how automobiles causes air pollution. Here are the answer, and here you can see a blackboard work. You can see here clearly. Okay, now here you can see all the content. CFC, that is used widely for refrigerator, damage ozone layer. Here you can see all these things. Okay, now here is the rest part of our presentation 2, and here you can see experiences. CFC damage the ozone layer that leads to air pollution. Switch to fuels like CNG and unleaded petrol. Quality of air should be monitored regularly by government. Here you can see blackboard work. And here, yes, after explaining them properly, we also have to use what we have to use is chart or model, whatever we have. Here you can see students observing the chart, and here chart or model. Okay, so here you can see recapitulation. Here 4 question I have added. What is air pollutant? Name some air pollutants. How is smog injurious for health? How vehicles, here you can see, can cause air pollution. And here is the expected answer that we expect from students. Okay, you can see these things here. This is overall look. Okay, now Here is application and evaluation. So for that we have to fill in the blanks. List of the question you can see here. Okay, and if you need the PDF, just please comment me yes in the comment section below. I will provide you PDF for this lesson plan. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and comment on my YouTube video. And we will meet in next video with another topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.